I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company in Raleigh, North Carolina. We are so excited today to present the brand new 2014 to 2019 Toyota 4Runner Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. We have completely redesigned the electronic internals of this system, making it competitive with the newest vehicles on the market. It still ships in this same beautiful exterior package that folks love and looks like the newer version of the 4Runner. I'm going to walk you through the features today of CarPlay as well as the awesome new Hamilton underlying operating system. This system has been redesigned from the ground up with a custom Hamilton heatsink for high heat dissipation in hot parts of the country, a premium Qualcomm processor for rapid performance, 8 gigabytes of onboard RAM, and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage so that your device is snappy and can hold lots of data and apps. Of course, it's backed by the 3-year Hamilton guarantee. That means we're going to treat you the way we would want to be treated before, during, or after your purchase. This 3-year warranty has details available on our website. Here is what CarPlay is going to look like in brand new iOS 26. You can see your widgets here. You can have reminders, images, and more. Navigation, whether you use Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Waze, will appear here, and Siri can read your directions.
Proceed to Spring Court, then take the first right.
No matter which navigation app you use, you're going to have beautiful navigation here in CarPlay or Android Auto. Coming back to the home screen, you'll see no matter which music app you use, whether Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, or otherwise, you'll have access to your songs in this split screen view. And you can open up the music app here in this full screen view and see all of your songs and beautiful cover art. Here's the Now Playing page. Coming back home, any app that has a CarPlay component will automatically show up here in CarPlay. We have spent a lot of money redesigning this system to use your factory microphone. This means Siri can hear you without issue. What's the weather like in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently clear and 93 degrees. Temperatures are heading down from 92 to 79 degrees tonight.
Phone calls and text messages will sound amazing. Shifting to reverse, you'll see your backup camera here. This is your factory backup camera. If your vehicle has parking sensors, they will appear here. Back to park or drive brings you immediately back into CarPlay. I'm now going to walk you through some of the features of this really powerful Hamilton underlying operating system. We have widgets here. Clicking this button allows you to choose Google Maps, YouTube, Spotify, or Chrome. This is on board on the device outside of CarPlay and Android Auto. To use this, what you would do is you'd plug in a 4G SIM card into the Hamilton SIM slot. You can use any GSM carrier. T-Mobile is a great option. We have Google Maps running here directly natively on the device using the device's GPS and natural connectivity. This is outside of CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you got in the vehicle without your phone and you had that 4G SIM card, you could still see navigation. We could also use the radio here. I have to turn the volume down for YouTube copyright, but you could see your radio now playing here. And you can easily change the stations also. Any app that has a Google Play Store component can be loaded directly onto this Hamilton device. That means you can access features that might not be available in CarPlay or Android Auto. You can see here we have a wide variety of apps that we've already loaded onto this device from the Google network. This is your OTA upgrade. Our Hamilton engineers are the top in the world, and we're going to continue pushing over-the-air updates to your device to make sure it stays competitive with some of the newest vehicles on the market today and tomorrow. You can use a USB drive to play music to the device using USB Music. This device also keeps your original aux port for folks who want to use the original aux system. I'll take you back to the Hamilton home screen, and that concludes our overview of the Hamilton underlying operating system. Back in CarPlay, you can see the steering wheel controls continue to work for your original volume and other functions. All of your controls here will continue to work as well. We have these nice illuminated buttons. Your climate controls, heated seats, everything else remains the same. If you have any questions, we're going to have a full installation video on our YouTube channel where we do an unboxing and show you what really sets this unit apart from a hardware perspective. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890 and you can talk to me or one of my team members. We'll be happy to answer any questions before, during, or after your purchase. Once again, my name is Dave and we appreciate your business. I'll see you in the next video.